So here it is, the mic where you can record your voice, and here is the power connection, DC power if you want to connect, and of course USB with which you can connect to a PC or a laptop. And here is mini USB port where you can use this one to connect to keyboard or external keyboard and other stuff. And here is the flash card or the SSD, small micro SD card slot where you can insert your card. And there is one HDMI port where you can connect this one to your PC or any PC monitor or any other TVs. And here is 3.5 mm headphone jack with which you can listen music and other stuff. And here is the on off button. So that's it on various ports about this tablet, you can see here. And coming to the tablet, other things where, as I said, you can connect this to a keyboard and use it as a tablet. So this is the port where these two are the grooves which it slots into and then becomes as a laptop. So 10.1 inch screen for normal usage. You can use it as a tablet or you can use it as a laptop if you buy a separate keyboard, which Tesco's are again selling. The Tesco's keyboard is around 30 pounds. Overall the tablet looks fine, good value for money. And I'm going to show you in the next video. You can see here the camera, 2 megapixels of camera, front and back side, and here is the Intel logo with all other normal details. In the next video I'm going to show you how this works, what are all the features of this tablet, the performance and other stuff. In this video my aim was to show the unboxing of the Connect tablet 10.1 inch. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave your comments and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.